What's the meaning of barrow? Barrow. Barrow.
Barrow. Barrow. A barrow is a word that has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, a barrow refers to a type of vehicle or device that is used for transporting items such as rocks, soil, or other heavy materials. For example, a wheelbarrow is a common type of barrow that is used for carrying small loads over short distances. Additionally, barrow can also refer to a mound or hill that is constructed over a burial site, particularly those found in ancient burial grounds. Overall, the meaning of barrow is highly dependent on the context in which it is being used.